2050, my institution will be 101 years old, so I hope they will celebrate the anniversary of our institution in 2049. And my vision, of course, is that all films, the one of the 20th century and also the ones of the 21st century, are available, visible, enjoyable, and not so complicated to have a look at them, but that they are around us as part of our film culture, as part of our cultural identity in Germany and also abroad, because I think this is an essential part of our cultural heritage when we are talking about film and moving images. I think the main issue is not only in the near but in the future digitization. This is the only way to get films on different platforms, in the cinemas, but also in the internet, on every part of platform now and in the future. So digitization, yes, this is the most important issue to be settled. And the second, of course, is to improve film culture, which means to educate the audience. There is a lot of curiosity. We are here in Bologna on a festival with very, very young people who are interested in film history, and it's so important that we improve film culture via education. And when we do both, the digitization and the education, improving the film culture, improving the accessibility of our films, then film will live and the moving image will live, of course, also in 2050.